Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Notifications and Status Bar. Then click on Recent next to App Notifications and select the best option for you, like Frequency. Now, after scrolling down, you can select any app, and to block notifications, tap on the switcher next to it. You can switch them back on the same way. You can also tap on one of your apps and click on the switcher next to Allow Notifications to manage them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!